Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 29th of October 2021. The planet's most powerful pensioner, aside of the Pope that is, leads an army of 30,000 to Glasgow, Scotland this weekend for the COP26 climate change conference. The problem is that Biden is attending empty-handed as his infrastructure bill, already severely watered down from the original $3.5 trillion which included a further chunk of taxpayer liability towards the black hole of decarbonizing, is still subject to congressional horse trading. Furthermore, next week's tightly contested Virginia state election may see the Democrats lose control of the Senate. This would have wide implications for politics, spending intentions and for the markets. Check out the 12-minute video. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were mixed, as were sovereign bond yields and the cryptocurrencies covered. Whilst the commodities covered were lower in the main. Meanwhile, the regional coverage notes the drag anchor of unsustainable national debt on the big Q3 GDP miss. The Eurozone's economic growth winners. And out east, Japan's real-world jump in interest rates versus the myth of the Bank of Japan's target rate. Inflation has become a major concern over this past year, blamed in the main by rising energy costs and in particular the cost of oil and gas. This plays well into the COP26 agenda, but it's worth a look at the dollar crude oil price and that of dollar gold, popularly considered as an inflation hedge. Whilst crude has doubled over the past year, the price of gold has fallen by 5% and looks to be trending lower still. The overview expands on the chart, providing thoughts for future prices. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, or the price of just one decent cup of coffee per week. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain discount for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview.